So hello everyone, this is another short video I'm creating, and this video is about a Discord bot that I recently created. So I created this bot in Python using Discord's client library for Python, and the reason I created this bot was because I am part of a server where all my classmates are on, and generally people post assignments and homeworks that have to be completed on within a certain due date, and I thought I could automate this process, help everyone understand and get their homework details or assignment details more easily and keep track of the due dates. So I created this, as I said, in Python using their client library, and I keep track of all the homeworks based on the subject, the actual description of the assignment or homework, and the due date in a CSV file. So CSV stands for comma separated values, and this is a file that can be opened by Microsoft Excel or any other program that can open a spreadsheet. So basically you it reads and writes to the file using commas. So if I want to write a row to the file, so as you know, in a spreadsheet you have rows and columns. So if you want to write a row with say 4 columns, for example, an ID, a subject name, a title, and maybe a due date, all you have to do is say ID, comma subject, comma title, comma due date. So it reads the file and understands based on the commas. That's why it's called comma separated values. So I make sure I log in using the token that I get from the Discord developer dashboard, and I make sure I set different permissions or authentication scopes that I would require. And after that, what I do is I listen to all the messages coming in the chat room, and if they start with a specific word, a specific command or keyword which I have set, then I respond to it accordingly. So let me show you a quick demo here on Discord on my test server. So the first thing I'm going to do is say $hello. So this is the first command I created, and then it's online. So you quickly see a response saying hello, nice to meet you. So there are a few other commands I've done. So first I'm going to just show you the help command, which shows you two images, which give you a little overview on how you actually use this program or this bot. So as you see, it actually gave me two URLs which were automatically previewed as an image. So I have the help command which I just showed you, and I have the ability to receive. So if you say send all homework or send with a specific subject, it sends you the homework details for all the subjects or for the specific subjects, and you send it based on this subject code you see. So it's a shorter version of it. So if you at any point of time, if you forget the actual code, you can just type in subject list, and it should send me a list of all the subject codes that are available. So I can add homeworks or assignments using the add command, and then I can actually get the homeworks to my personal server using a DM with the send command. So I'm just going to show you a small demo by saying send all homework, and then I should get a message saying homework sent via DM, and I should be able to actually open this and see the two homeworks that have been created in my inbox. So similarly, I could also get the homework for a specific subject. So I obviously you can see it for chemistry. So I could say send dash chem 2 and just sends a homework for chemistry. But if I say send for chem 1, which actually there's no homework for chem 1, I should see that there's no message. It says that there's no homework actually, so there's no chemistry homework. And you also see that I've able to properly format the text, so I'm able to display text in italics or bold. So those format options are also available. So using this, I'm able to listen to the stream. I'm able to listen to specific commands or starting keywords, and I'm able to correctly respond. So this is basically listening for that, finding out the exact words that are mentioned by the user, and then reading the rows from the CSV and then outputting it back. So I'm going to show you how we actually write to the CSV again. So I can use the add command with add and then dash. I mention the subject name. So for example, math 1, and then I separate with the semicolon, and then in double quotations I type in the actual description. So maybe complete exercise 2A, and then I close the double quotations and then my second semicolon to separate again, and then I provide my date with DDMMYY format. So I could say, just for example, 0302 21, and then all I have to do is hit enter, and then it says homework error to math 1. So now if I say send all homework, and then I should see the math homework right now. So as you see, this automates a lot of the work, and it doesn't clutter the actual channel by sending all of the messages over here. It sends you a direct message to the person who actually asked for it. And I feel that this helps a little bit. And anyways, this was a very good experience for me, so that I could learn how to use the client library and interact with it. So if you want to see the actual implementation in the actual code, you could let me know, and I can probably make another video on it. So currently this my program has to be always running. So right now I'm just using my laptop over here, and my Python script is running. So I don't have any other desktop, and I've not deployed this to the cloud. So it's just running over here, and I have had to disable this sleep mode in my laptop. So maybe I have another desktop in my home. So maybe if that gets ready, I am planning to install Ubuntu, or the Ubuntu server edition specifically. So that's going to be running all the time, and that's going to be hosting my Discord bot. So if you plan to create a Discord bot, the important thing to note that is it has to be online all the time. So the moment I stop the script, you should be able to see that the bot goes offline and it doesn't respond to you anymore. So that's a brief overview on what I've created. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see any similar content, please let me know. Thank you for watching.